In this video, I'll show you how you can add a product to a Shopify store. Now this will just be a short basic tutorial, so if you want a more in-depth guide, you might want to Google to how you can do it. But what you want to do is you just want to head over to your admin.shopify.com, head over to the products, and under products you can press add product. So if I press add product right here, you'll be able to see I can add a title, description, picture, and I can put it in categories like t-shirt or whatever. I can put the price here. I can check the inventory, and I can do the shipping. I can add different kinds of colors, and this is for SEO. So that is how it works. You just want to fill out this, and then up here you can select if you want it as a draft or if you want it to be active. Then after that you just want to press save, and then your product has been added to a Shopify store. Now it's really simple, and like I said, this is just a short basic guide, but you just want to fill out all the information, press save, and then it will be added. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.